Quick tips.
What's up, guys? If you're having trouble with 50/50s, you just can't ollie up on something in front of you, and you have some old trucks you don't really care about, you could try putting some fabric on there and then duct taping them and doing this. Get a little 2x4 or something. Just practice. You're not rolling, so it's not as dangerous. You're not going to get hurt. And it really helps you to learn tricks fast. So, yeah, since this board's not rolling at all, and this 2x4 is so small, it makes it really easy to just maneuver onto a 50/50. Just a good training tool. You can learn 5-0s this way. You could probably do shove-its. Oh, shove-it. It's a wheelie grind. So if you have some extra trucks you don't care about, try it out. It's definitely easier to learn tricks like this, and it's pretty fun on the trampoline. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.